Thirikari no ithiete na mbere na kuhinyiririo inyihie mahuthiro mayo angikorwo bururi ni ukweruta kuma minyororo-ini ya woi wa ngombo. Gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia mundu kia Okoa Uchumi nikio giica ikuhi guikia muhwa wakio gikendekithia thirikari inyihie bajeti ya bururi na makiria ma ciringi birioni 200.
Budget allocations are reduced further by 119 billion 491 million 636,547 Kenya shillings, in addition to the Kenya shillings 177 billion cuts proposed by the President, which now totals to 296 billion 491 million 636,547 shillings.
President Ruto's assent of the appropriation bill is a betrayal and insult to the public. His actions are tantamount to signing off expenditures whose financing Kenyans have forced him to reject.
Gikundi giki ningi nikeraganite na kuongererwo kwa mishahara kuri magavana, aruti wira a thirikari cia kaunti na thirikari nene.
Also want to call on all state and public officers, including the Council of Governors leadership and the Teacher Service Commission, that they need to come very, very honestly in their recent statement that there will be no salary payment to teachers and county government officials because the finance bill was rejected.
Cigikinya ria mutongoria wa bururi ria kumba kamiti ya guthurima mathiri ma bururi, Okoa Uchumi ni mareganite nario makiorota president ni kwagarara gatiba makiugo ni wira wa bunge na wabici ya muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari.
Any audit, regular, performance or forensic is a mandate of the Auditor General, and any request for a forensic audit may only be done by Parliament pursuant to Article 37 of the Public Audit Act.
President descends and restricts the appointed Forensic Debt Audit Task Force and allow the Auditor General to undertake the audit as part of the office mandate under the Constitution.
Maya mahanikite riri munene wa aruti wira a MUINGI FELIX KOSKEI athite o MINISTA anyihie ATAARI ake kuma eri nginyagia UMWE arita njira ya kunyihia mahuthiro thirikari-ini ta uria President William Ruto atari. Oho KOSKEI ni athite MAMINISTA kuneana maritwa ma ATARANI aria mararihagwo ni thirikari gukinyiria muthenya wa rucio, akiuga ikinya riri riumanite na riathani ria President ria kunyihia ATARANI thiini wa thirikari na gicunje kia 50% Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjikũ.